Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the blurry home screen on your iPhone. As you can see, my home screen here looks blurry. So first what you want to do is swipe down from the middle of your iPhone. And as you can see, my lock screen is of my dog. So once you've got the lock screen up, you want to one long hold press in the middle, and then this will bring up the customization options. So you want to press customize in the bottom here, and then you want to select the right one here, home screen, and in the bottom right hand corner you'll see blur. You want to tab that, and this will take the blur effect off. Then you can press done in the top right, and then you can select the home screen you want again, and now as you can see, you've fixed the blurry home screen. So that's how to fix the blurry home screen on your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.